Hi, I'm naturopath Tracey Lee Morley, and this is ReGain Your Body, a workshop I'll be running on Wednesday night and going live at 6 p.m. So join us for the first part of this workshop. I'll be discussing things like the latest research on weight loss and the naturopathic approach. When there's 80% of people who lose weight, put it all back on within a number of years. We need to look at a different way, a new way, a more holistic way of long-term keeping that weight off. I'll be discussing things like your brain has a set point for your weight, and I think now it's actually got to do with something like how your body controls blood pressure or your temperature. There's this homeostasis that we need to help your brain reset your weight to a different level. And there's a number of different strategies you can use to actually overcome this set point being set too high. So join us this Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Comment on this video, send me questions. The workshop's booked out, but you can have a taste of it this Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Thanks a lot. See you then.